Okay, hello guys, hello guys. Today I'm back on our Minecraft. You didn't see Minecraft before, but it is Carfrog actually, not Minecraft, the regular Minecraft. As you can see, we are building a wrestling because we're all gonna fight right now. Because we're gonna fight. And we'll see who's gonna be defeated. If you be defeated, you're gonna die. If you get defeated, you're gonna die. Alright, someone. If you're gonna, okay. There's actually a wrestling class and no one's actually speaking to me, so I'll speak alone, it's okay. Okay, actually we are building a wrestling. Me and Lupe are building a wrestling, as we call him in Minecraft Shady, as you can see his name. And my name is Tappy, and Steve joined the game.
No, let me put it okay. I'm going to change my name.
And also me.
I want you to come.
No, but Tappy Tap. It's not Tappy, that's not Tap. Not Tappy, Tap. I'm gonna put Tappy only, not Tappy, Tap. Okay, guys. And I'm gonna join Shade right now. Who's playing?
Me.
Okay, Mia's actually playing with the other phone, and he's playing with the paper, so there's no problem. Oh, guys, don't forget to put a
Yo, who's Steve? Huh?
Everyone has to build their own room. I'm gonna.
Who's Steve?
Steve. I'm building the wrestling.
Who's Steve?
Zuzu. Oh. I'm building the wrestling. So let's see. Don't care. Okay, let's get back on streaming. Guys, stop. Just build.
Okay.
And here's this. Tap. And now actually. And now. No, everyone has to build houses.
My house is wrestling, you man.
No, there's a wrestling. Then a house to change. Okay, I'm gonna build my own room. You can sort it out.
Which room, Baba? What's it wrestling?
Oh yeah. Let me build a proper wrestling. You want to say a proper wrestling?
Yeah, the stage.
Okay, let's see it. Wait, I want to. Wrestling's are black inside, right?
Yes. No, yes.
Black, cause then there's disco lights. Oh yeah. Okay, actually I'll put. Yeah, I'll make a proper one. I'm gonna take some iron to make it nicely. Okay, iron. I'm just gonna this thing real quick there. Then we can just push like this and build this big one. And guys, there will be part 2 and part 3. Cause I won't be up.
Fuck you, too.
Bye, motherfucker. I'm not Los Santos. Okay,
Sorry
guys.
about that, guys, but Steve has left it.
I'm gonna cut that scene. I'm gonna cut that scene. I'm gonna ask the editor to cut that scene because I'm not Los Santos here.
No, bro. It's crying. This is not Los Santos.
Okay, I think this wrestling has to be this big. Then, this is where they can get in. It has to be big. So I'll see what side I'm gonna make it.
What is that doing? What are you doing, man?
You'll see. Just keep quiet. You'll see.
Oh, yeah, building a big wrestling.
Yeah. I'm gonna build a
Alright,
real,
let me help you.
I'm building a real wrestling. You know that. A real one actually
Has cages.
yeah. Alright, guys. We're still building this much. And so don't forget to hit that like button. That
Button.
button. Not button, I mean button.
Nah, push a button.
Yeah. Because that's how we talk. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, guys, when we fight and put
Survival.
I know
Everybody knows.
everybody is gonna have a iron arm.
In a room for them to change.
No, guys. Okay, let me go and build my own house so that you can.
No, a room. A
A
big
room.
room. Not house, a room.
Yes, bro. I'm hungry. Okay, guys. I'm here to start my home. The room.
I think that's big enough. No, that's side.
So, guys, you can tell me this house.
This thing's actually big, I'm not gonna lie.
I have to build a long room so that someone can even have. So,
I forgot. I lowered the volume, I don't know why. So I'll make it up so I can hear what sound I'm doing.
I also forgot, guys.
Nah, bro's watching here. Why are you watching to my screen, boy?
No, boy. Are you for serious, boy?
What is that?
Are you, boy?
Oh my god, what is this?
Oh my god.
What is this? Yo, guys, look up how big this resting is.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. No.
Why are you looking, man?
I don't see everyone's screen, guys. I don't know why.
Yo, guys.
I think I'm gonna cut it over here. You can build a room there.
TNT!
Yo, don't do it.
TNT!
Guys, shit is so crazy, guys.
Who is shit because I'm me?
Maya.
Because you shady, boy.
Bros Maya. Bros Maya.
You stupid, boy.
Bros
Shit
Maya.
is stupid, guys. Everyone knows that. I can blow some TNT.
Bros Maya.
Yo.
No way, bros saying shit by Maya.
Oh.
No! Oh my god.
TNT, we need to explode this world and then we can create a new one because this one is messed up.
These guys are crazy.
And we're about to
Oh, let me help. Oh wait, let me
fill
help.
up the whole thing. Fit everything. Whatever it is.
Guys, time to blow some TNTs, guys.
Everything, wait. We didn't blow up everything. Ah, it's lagging.
My screen! My screen!
Guys, this one is so.
Oh my god. You missed a spot. Boom. Half of the world. Okay, guys, these guys were crazy at that point. And I left the game, so
Okay, guys, I'm out the game.
these guys were crazy. So I'll wait for them
Give
to.
me my phone, bro.
Okay, guys, I think now they're changing phones now. These two little batteries.
Yes.
I'm back to Shady.
Yes, I'm big. Nah.
Okay, guys, I have.
No,
Oh,
guys.
yeah. It's time we're doing a dropper.
Okay, guys, it's time for us to play a dropper. Like this, follow, and I'll post part 2 for you guys.
Okay, wait.
See you later, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and
Don't do. Boom.
peace.